Hello and welcome to Math 252 Calculus 2 here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz, and in this video we'll be doing checkpoint 3.6 from section 3.2. We're still dealing with trigonometric integrals, and we have this problem-solving strategy where we can, if we have an integral with a sine and a cosine, we look for an odd power. And then we can take one of those sines or cosines out and then do a u substitution that would cancel that. So in this problem, we are trying to find the integral of cosine squared x times sine cubed x. And when I noticed that the sine has an odd power. So what we'll do in this scenario is we'll keep the cosine together. So that's still cosine squared x. But now for the sine, we're going to take one of the sines out and keep the rest of the sines together. And this is the sine x that we're going to replace after u substitution. Now, we want everything in terms of cosine. And since this was odd and we took one out, now it's an even power. And so we can use some trig identity here. We have the cosine squared x, and then this sine x, if you remember, our very most important trig identity to remember for the rest of your life, is the sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So sine squared x is going to be 1 minus cosine squared x. And then we still have the sine x out here, but everything else is a cosine. So what we can do at this point is do a u substitution where u is equal to cosine of x, and then our du will be equal to negative sine x dx, and that takes care of the differential, and everything else will be in terms of u. So let's put everything in terms of u. This is u squared, this is 1 minus u squared, and then we have du. Well, there's going to be a negative sign, so we'll put the negative sign out in front since it's just a constant. And then we have a negative integral of u squared minus u to the fourth du. We'll go ahead and integrate. This is going to be, let's put the parentheses because we're going to need to distribute the negative sign. So this will be a 1/3 u to the third minus 1/5 u to the fifth. And then we can throw the plus c in here now, but we have to change everything back into what u was equal to. In this case, u was equal to a cosine of x. So this will be negative. I'll go ahead and distribute as well. Distribute the negative sign. So this would be 1/3 cosine cubed of x, and then the negative and the negative here will make this into a positive 1/5 cosine to the fifth of x, and then that's it. The plus c will finish it off, and then that should be your result. Okay, I hope that helps. Good luck.